What we have here is a demo called Antigravity Orbit. We basically built a simulated world using Antigravity SDK, where you can have virtual avatars talk with each other and watch Google keynotes and socialize with each other.
It's showcasing like a multi-agent interaction where we basically allow all of the attendees to scan themselves, where we create like a nano banana avatar and they define a profile for themselves, and then they come into the Antigravity Orbit experience, which is basically a space station where they can socialize and network while they're at I/O.
It sounds like me.
It's been very positive. I think people are first and foremost very impressed with their avatars. They think they are quite fun. But I think once they see like the experience, interactions, conversations that are then being had between the agents, they really enjoy that as well. What you saw today can be applied to really anything that you're building that has like planning or like requires multiple agents to solve a task, whether it's like coding, visual, or whatever.